So the Eyestar is a very versatile, fully automated swept source anterior chamber analyzer and biometer. So it's for the first time that these two domains are joined in one device, which can be easily delegated. The device takes measurements for biometry, like axial length, like reflective keratometry for the cataract applications, but then also OCT-based topography from the anterior cornea, the posterior cornea, the anterior chamber, and you can also do visualization of the anterior chamber in OCT cross slides, which you can do after the data has been acquired. So there's no need to call in the patient again. Once, if a slide is not at the exact right position, you can do it on the data which you already have, just shift it and get the slide again. The cataract and the refractive surgeons, they both depend on highly accurate measurements. Therefore, we have here swept source OCT-based biometry from the cornea to the retina. Every single compartment of the eye is measured laser optically. We have OCT-based topography, which is in accordance with Class A topographers. So it is like a real topography, but not only for the front, but also for the back of the cornea. You have pachymetry, you have the lens measurements, lens tilt is assessed. So if you have a patient who is opting for a premium IOL, you can also look at this parameter if everything is okay or if he has got an unusual eye setup. The measurement can be done by everybody from the practice, so it's easy to delegate, and because you can network the device, you can then look at the data in your consultation room and then teach the patient what might be the best option for him or her. The combination of cataract and refractive surgery also needs more with respect to corneal analysis. And there now with this device, we offer also a corneal ectasia screening view where all the parameters necessary to determine is this patient potentially developing a keratoconus are available to the refractive surgeon as well. When you do surgery, efficiency in your practice is one of the key points as well. Having this device allows you to delegate the measurement and then focus on the counseling of the patient to get the right procedure done, get the right implant or get the right surgical procedure. It's combination, so you get all the results in one measurement. You get topography, keratometry, axial length, and you may also document anomalies with OCT cross-sectional images in one single device, fully automated. And in a network environment, it allows you to look at it even from home with a tablet or whatever, where you have the iSuite software installed. So here at the ESCRS, we are proud to, for the first time, present the complete Haag Streit booth on one booth. So we have not only the diagnostic field with the Eyestar for the cataract refractive application, with the slit lamps for general diagnostics, but also with the LensStar for the myopia management. We also have the Haag Streit simulation group here that offers for the training of surgeons, but also of ophthalmic doctors in general, tools to train diagnosis, but also the application. And then we also have in the background the surgical microscope that covers then the execution of the planned procedure from the diagnostic devices.